Did they arrive home on time?
Did they arrive home on time?
Will you join us tomorrow?
Will you join us tomorrow?
Why did he leave so early?
Why did he leave so early?
Do you like watching TV?
Do you like watching TV?
Do they go to school daily?
Do they go to school daily?
Do you work on Sundays?
Do you work on Sundays?
Did she call you last night?
Did she call you last night?
Did he go to the cinema?
Did he go to the cinema?
Did she buy a new phone?
Did she buy a new phone?
Will you travel next summer?
Will you travel next summer?
Will you be working tonight?
Will you be working tonight?
Where do you live now?
Where do you live now?
Why does he run?
Why does he run?
Why did she cry?
Why did she cry?
When do they meet?
When do they meet?
Who plays the guitar?
Who plays the guitar?
Does he work here?
Does he work here?
How do you cook rice?
How do you cook rice?
Who teaches English here?
Who teaches English here?
Do they read books?
Do they read books?
Do you play football?
Do you play football?
What does it mean?
What does it mean?
Where did they go?
Where did they go?
Who broke the vase?
Who broke the vase?
Did you like it?
Did you like it?
Where did he live?
Where did he live?
Did they eat here?
Did they eat here?
Who will come today?
Who will come today?
Where will we go?
Where will we go?
What are you reading?
What are you reading?
Why are you smiling?
Why are you smiling?
Which city do you like?
Which city do you like?
Who wrote this note?
Who wrote this note?
Why did she hide?
Why did she hide?
What is your plan?
What is your plan?
Where is your home?
Where is your home?
Where is the store?
Where is the store?
Who is your friend?
Who is your friend?
Who saw her yesterday?
Who saw her yesterday.
How can I help?
How can I help?
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
Which way is shorter?
Which way is shorter?
Do we need money?
Do we need money?
How is your mom?
How is your mom?
When did you sleep?
When did you sleep?
Are you listening now?
Are you listening now?
Which book is mine?
Which book is mine?
Will he join our team?
Will he join our team?
Where do you usually eat?
Where do usually eat?
Did she buy a dress?
Did she buy a dress?
Which room is clean?
Which room is clean?
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. شكراً على المشاهدة.